50 sports.
Bowling. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to 50 Sports. This time we will learn about bowling. Look at the picture. A man bowls. He rolls a ball down a lane. White things stand at the end of the lane. The ball will hit the white things. Have you ever bowled? It's a lot of fun. You should try it. Before we read, we will study words and take a word quiz. Are you ready?
Roll. When you roll something, the thing moves by turning over many times. In the picture, the man rolls a large ball. It turns over many times. Do you have a ball? Do you roll it? Thumb. The arrow points to a thumb. The thumb is the shortest finger. Do you sometimes show your thumb, like in the picture? Common. If something is common, it happens often. It isn't special. In the picture, the boy gets his picture taken in front of the dinosaur. Many people get a picture taken in front of the dinosaur, so it is not special. It is common.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Roll. Common. Thumb.
Now we will read a text. After you read, you will take a quiz.
A man rolls a large, heavy ball down a lane. He is bowling. The ball has 3 holes. The bowler puts 3 fingers, including the thumb, in each hole. Then he rolls the ball towards the white things in the lane. The white things are called pins. In common bowling, 10 pins are put in the lane. A bowler can roll the ball once or twice in each frame. A frame is 1 turn for a bowler. A game is made up of 10 frames. When a bowler knocks all the pins down at once on the first try, it is called a strike. The bowler with the higher score wins.
What is true about a bowling ball? It has 5 holes. It is large and heavy. What does a bowler hit with the ball? Pin. Strike. What is true about bowling? A bowler can roll the ball only one time in each frame. A game is made up of 10 frames.
How was the lesson today? Great! I had fun too. I will see you next class. Bye!